You can order the bulbs used in the video on CarParts.com via the link in the description. Turn your engine off, set the parking brake, pull on the hood release handle and open the hood. To increase the lifespan of the bulbs, we would suggest never touching the glass with your fingers or cleaning them carefully with paper towels before putting them back. Start by removing the stopping plug. To change the D5S high and low beam bulb, press on the bulb retaining tab. To remove the bulb, all you have to do is pull on it. Remove the electrical connector from the light bulb by pressing on the retaining tab, then pull on the light bulb. You can order the bulbs used in the video on CarParts.com via the link in the description. Take the new bulb, reconnect the connector. Insert the whole thing into the light. Then lock the bulb with the retaining tab. Put the shutter cover back on.
For great content, our best price, and fast shipping, download the CarParts.com app now.
To replace the W21/5W turn signal light bulb, remove the light bulb socket from the headlight housing, turn it counterclockwise and pull it out. Simply pull the bulb out to remove it. Take the new bulb. Put the new bulb into the socket. Then insert the whole thing into the light. And turn it clockwise to lock it in place. Operation complete.